Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome. I appreciate y'all tuning in today. We're going to be doing two quick repairs today. This is a case. I just found this on the 65-mile high cotton yard sale. It's a 92 case. There's the model number 059L. SS is stainless steel blade and the lock spring stainless steel. It's probably the cheapest knife that Case puts out, but it's still a Case knife, and we're gonna give it some dignity back by repairing the tip, and we're gonna give it a little character by putting a piece of leather string back here, a little lanyard. But we're gonna clean it up real good. It's gonna be a good little knife. This is a light knife, very light, be easy to carry. I might carry it for a few days. If it's going on a camping trip, I might just take this one with me. And this one here is a Gerber Easy Out, made in the USA. Found this at Ruth's Flea Market last week. Got a broke tip. I'm going to be cleaning it up, repairing this tip. But on this one, I'm going to take out this little curve. I'm going to come straight down and meet this original edge here. It's got a serrated edge. We're going to sharpen it up, sharpen this up. Very small and very light. Great EDC knife. Both of these are. And they're both lock blades, of course. So let's get to redoing these tips. We're going to do the Gerber first. Alright. Not a bad looking blade at all, y'all. Ain't a bad looking knife for $5. Okay, now we're going to take care of this case. I think I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come from the top down to meet this original blade here. It's not a bad looking blade. I like it. Try to buff that out real quick with my fabric wheel. Check that out. Turned out good. It got the scratches out. All I'm gonna do is sharpen it up now. Oil it down. Put me a leather lanyard right here. Alright guys, let's sharpen them up. We're gonna start with this little Easy Out here. We're gonna hit that serrated edge real quick. She's really sharp now. But that blade, I really like the way it turned out. Alright, we're fitting to sharpen this one now. Yes. Good looking blade. Gotta check every corner, every crevice. Check that out. Nasty. Nasty. See that right there? Alright, the Nevedor treatment. It's a little brown right there. See if this one will get it. Gotta be careful when you're cleaning blades like this, especially on a serrated edge. You slip up, it will cut you quick. Don't ask me how I know. Yeah, see it, got it. Got that little brown spot. And this one too. I just can't resist it. I'm gonna have to tote it before I just throw it in my collection. If you wouldn't known it was broke to start with, you wouldn't even know it. Just like that. Y'all know what I like to do. Cut it off at an angle. There she is. Thought I was recording, guys, when I was doing the lanyard here, but I use Mama's Outback leather wax on this leather lanyard. It's just does a good job. It makes it feel conditioned. Okay, guys, here they are. I loosened this bolt up a little bit just so it'll be easier to unfold, but if you can tell, that tip turned out really good. It's a great looking knife. It's sharp now, very sharp. That's a good looking knife. I'm gonna carry it for a little while, but it turned out good. Just think that had a broke tip. I gave $5 for it. Good little story. This here's a case, double X, 92. They call it a mini Blackhorn. You see there's a model number, 059L. Stainless steel blade, stainless steel lock spring. Got synthetic handles. That's a good little knife. And it's got a lot of character now. That leather added something to it. It's just something about that I love. But it's a good little knife now, and it is sharp as a razor. And I'm going to be carrying this one for a little while too. But these were fun, guys. I love to find these little projects like this and bring them back to life. Gerber, USA, easy out. It's a 425. I wish it had a little frame hole right there. I'd put a leather strap on it. But they're great EDC knives, guys. Very slim, very light. Just great to have. But guys, appreciate y'all tuning in today. Appreciate all the support, guys, and just can't thank y'all enough for tuning in. But these were fun. But I hope y'all have a great day, and I just want to say God bless y'all, and thanks again for everything, y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.